the one that it's color changing. At first it's yellow, like you can see all around, and then it color changes to red. This is my activator that I'm using. Now let's get started. First you have to open the glue. Then you pour it in. Now that's enough. Now let me close it. Now let me put the activator. Oh, Mommy, can you please help me?
Yeah.
Okay. My mom is helping me with the activator.
Ooh, this is hard.
Yeah, it is. I think you need a scissor.
Yeah, I think I need a scissor for this.
Okay. My mom is going to get a scissor. So, well, I just popped a bubble out of this.
Here you go.
Okay. Now I'm going to pour in it.
Oh, cool. It has like glitter.
Yeah, it does. It kind of hurts.
Oh no.
If you actually heard me, I actually said really quietly, ow. If you have really good ears, you might have heard me. I think that's enough. And now I need my spoon that's right here, and I can start mixing. I love slime 1 to 10. I love slime 10 out of 10. I have like a billion slimes. Mommy, can you go show the camera all my slimes?
Sure.
Okay. If you can hear my sisters right behind taking a bath. Now I'm going to start mixing. This is the part where if you need to, you can add more activator. Now I'm getting up. Look at my slime. This is how you make slime. Like this. At the end it will look really cool. I also made other slimes. That's the first one that I made. That's the second one. And one of them I did was the one where it has crunchy and foam beads. That one I did from the back of the slime thing. Mommy,
What do you mean you did it from the back of the slime thing?
Of the back of the thing, there's a slime recipe. Back, Mommy. The back of it.
You did a slime recipe.
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay, cool.
I did that. I need more activator.
Okay.
So if you need to, if it's too sticky like how mine is, add more activator. Mommy, can you please come in for a second and add activator? So my mom is just going to come in and add activator. Here's my mom.
Hi. Okay, how would you like me to add activator?
Pour it in here. That's good. Now I just start mixing again. And now look, it's coming into slime. But it's not completely slime. And look, this is how I make slime.
How does it feel?
It feels good.
Does it feel like sticky like it was before?
It feels less sticky. I think the tiniest bit more activator. Can they come
Okay.
again? So my mom is adding activator more. That's good. And if you make ever slime, the thing that I want to tell you guys, the last thing, is that if it's too activatory, then add more glue. And that's my mom's alarm going off over there because because I'm doing this in the kitchen.
And what does it mean if it's too activatory? How does it feel if there's too much activator?
It probably will feel like when you do this, it will all when you do this, it will like all squirm out of your hands and it'll go like one piece here, one piece here.
It'll be like too hard and lumpy.
Yeah, hard and lumpy.
And how does this one feel now?
It feels good.
Like perfect?
Yeah.
So you just have to mix it and see.
Yeah.
It's a cool color. How would you describe the color?
Yellow, but it's actually yellow red because look, yellow red. Let me see, if it. Wait, Mommy, can you please read it how it turns into red because I'm.
Color changing glue, yellow to red. Just add sunlight. Does it change in the sun?
It's in the sun. It's not changing. Look, it's in the sun. It's not changing into red. I see no.
Maybe we have to go outside. You want to go outside?
Okay, so I'm going to bring us outside. There's my sandals. I don't know why they're all dry over there. And a good fact is actually yesterday was 4th of July. And I was really tired while we were watching fireworks at my house. I told Daddy that I was really sleepy, so I went to bed. I'm putting on my sandals. I'm going outside to see if the color changes. So I'm going this way. And the color change. Oh.
Let's see.
Here. No, it
Here, come over here. Come over here.
But it has to be somewhere sunny. No, it doesn't. It is a colored
Here,
sand.
turn around and hold it out to the sun. I feel like maybe I see a little red.
Where?
Here, hold it out. It's too hard when you're mixing. Right here.
Wait, where?
Here.
Oh, yeah.
It looks a little red in some places.
But it's supposed to be...
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Do you see any red?
Yeah, do you see any red? So this is how I make slime. If you want to feel it, then just go add those scenes as in make slime, as in this is how you feel it. That's how you feel it. Bye.